Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. So for today's video guys, I'm your host for today's video. My name is Jason Carlos Galano TV and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So pag-uusapan natin ng topic for today's video is the worst thing about the Philippines guys. So this is my reconstructed criticisms guys. Hindi ko po binabash ang Pilipinas guys. This is my opinion. Hello guys, mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm your host for today's video. My name is Jason Carlos Galeno TV and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm your host for today's video. So for today's video is pag-uusapan po natin ang topic natin for today's video is the worst things about the Philippines. So start na po tayo guys. So number one na encounter niyo po dito sa Pilipinas is the traffic po guys. Una-una guys is traffic plus the illegal parking. So when you visit the Philippines arriving into Metro Manila, you can be experience the worst things is the traffic. Next guys is the internet connection and the speed of internet connection. So pag-usapan po natin yun guys. Una-una guys, sobrang bagal po na internet connection dito sa Philippines. Yeah, madami nagre-reklamo guys na internet connection, ang bagal-bagal. Plus yung babayaran pa guys na sobrang ang laki guys. 1 month, 1,999 pesos. Wow! Sobrang laki nun guys. So, sana guys is ma-fix din yung internet connection dito sa Pilipinas. Sana mag-upgrade din po sila kumpara dun sa ibang bansa guys. Next natin is the third last in our list is the plastic water pollution guys. Philippines as a 7,600 plus island na makikita po dito sa Pilipinas at napakaganda ng islands beaches natin dito sa Pilipinas. Ang first natin is yung mga plastic po guys na makikita po natin sa mga dagat na kinakain po ng mga isda guys. Be responsible as a Filipino citizen. So yun lang po guys, hindi ko na po papahabain yung ating content for this video and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share para may recommend po ni YouTube ang ating video. So please support my YouTube channel and paalam po guys, mabuhay and